are a lot of birds here, and there are more birds that I never expected. And see, now binocular to see clearly, and now we are going to see the birds.
One by one their names. There's herons, pelicans, and even night herons.
Garganets from Canada is more fascinating kind between two easters. Glossy ibis from Sri Lanka, grey pelicans from Australia, spoonbills from Burma, and so on. More than 35,000 to 40,000 migrating birds, including 26 rare types of species from various parts of the world, visit the sanctuary every year. Actually, in ancient days, the people of the village fought to protect this place from British soldiers from shooting the birds for 100 years. Then somewhere around 1966, government recognized it. The water after the leftover by the birds is used by the farmer as a fertilizer. We can view the place from a viewing tower and platform using a good quality binoculars or big zoom cameras to enjoy the spectacular views of the birds. And the best time to visit the sanctuary is in between November to March, which is 75 kilometers from Chennai on National Highway. It is easily reachable from Madhuvandatham and Chengalpattu. And this is the entrance and exit of Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye! And do subscribe for my channel. Check the description box for more info.